Maths Guru channel. In this video I am going to explain area of plane figures 8th class maths exercise 9.2 7th question. First I will read the question which is given in the textbook. Okay. So that question is, the area of an equilateral triangle is 49√3 centimeter square, taking each angular point as center. A circle is described with radius equal to half of the length of the side of the triangle as shown in the figure. Okay. Find the area of the portion in the triangle not included in the circles. Okay. Here, see, the area of triangle, this is a ABCD is a triangle. Here, which is not included, we should find the area of triangle which is not included in the circles. Okay, what is that portion? This portion, middle portion area we need to find out. How we should get the area of the middle region? Very simple. Already area of equilateral triangle 49√3 given. Just we should find out the area of sector. By using these values, area of sector you can find and multiply by 3. Why? Because here 3 sectors are there. No? So after getting 3 sectors, you can subtract from area of triangle. Then you will get the area of a middle portion which is not included in the circles. Okay. Very simple. From the figure, let R is equal to 7. Why? Because radius of a circle 7 and angle is given 60 degrees. Now by using these values, find the area of sector. Okay, area of sector. Area of sector x by 360 into pi r square. X by 360 into pi r square. Now x is 60 degrees by 360 degrees into pi value 22 by 7. R is 2 times we should write. 7 into 7. Why? Because here it is there. No? Now here 0 will cancel. If any cancellation, do it cancellation. 6 1 is 6 6 is 36. So 1 by 6 into, here 7 will cancel. 22 into 7. Now we can do with the 2 table. 2 1s are 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Okay. Here 11 into 7 by 3. That is 77 by 3. This is area of one sector only. But we want area of 3 sectors. Right. So next, area of 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors, that is 3 into 77 by 3. Okay, you should multiply with 3 this area. Okay. Now 3 will get cancelled. Remaining is 77 centimeter square. Area of 3 sectors 77 centimeter square. Now we want area of triangle which is not included in the circles. Area of triangle which not included in the circles. Okay, that is equal to area of triangle is area of triangle minus area of 3 sectors. Area of 3 sectors. From area of triangle you can subtract area of 3 sectors. So remaining you will get area of a triangle which is not included in the circles. That you can get. Okay. Now area of triangle 49√3 which is already given in the question minus area of 3 sectors, we got 77. Right. Now you can multiply with √3. 49 into √3. 49. √3 value always you can remember 1.732. Okay. So 1.732 minus 77. Now we should multiply with 49. Okay, if you multiply with 49, you here you will get directly, I am writing 84.8729 minus 77. Okay, here 1 will be also, you can take better 4 digits. Now you can subtract from 84. From 84 you can subtract 77. Now here 84.8729 minus 77.0000. Do the subtraction. Here same it will be. Here carry, you can take borrow. So 14 minus 7, 7 it will be. So here 7 minus 7, 0. So 7.8729 it will come. Area of a triangle which is not included in the circles, it will come 7.8729 centimeter square. Okay, very simple. First you should know the process, then calculations are very easy only. Okay, everything given in the question itself only. Okay, angle is given, here side of a triangle given, and radius of circle given, everything is given. Just you can already, area of triangle also given, no need to find again. Just we need to find out the area of sectors, 3 sectors, by using this formula. Okay, then you can subtract from area of triangle, you will get the area of the middle portion, this which is not included in the circles. Okay, I hope you understood. For more videos, subscribe my channel, support me. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Mummy.